In this video, I will show you how to add a total amount here, like this, or like this. In this branch, I need to add a total amount. So I click here to home. Here is auto sum. Just click here, enter. Then you got a total amount here. So you also can do two equals and sum. Then double click here to select the range you want to sum and enter. So you got the numbers. So in this one, how to get a total amount here, here, and here, and so we need to select here, Control G. Then we got go to here, and we need to click special. In the special, we need to click banks. So click OK. Then just hold find your keyboards with ALT and equals. Then you got the total. So we double click here, so you will find is a sum of here and sum of here. So we got a total here and we auto sum here. Then we got these three cells to a sum range here. So